Hello and welcome to OptinMonster. Do you need an alternative to pop-ups for lead generation on your website? OptinMonster's slide-in campaigns give you a polite, stylish way to get your visitors' attention without disrupting the browsing experience. You can use slide-in campaigns to highlight related products or content, collect feedback from customers and readers, or reduce cart abandonment with well-timed offers. OptinMonster includes visually stunning, professionally designed templates that are proven to get excellent results. You can quickly customize any of these templates, or use the Canvas option to build your campaign from scratch. With our easy-to-use drag-and-drop builder, it only takes a matter of minutes to build and customize elements such as images, text, countdown timers, buttons, and much more. Timing is everything when it comes to maximizing the effectiveness of your marketing campaigns. That's why OptinMonster's display rules give you the flexibility to create rule sets that are as simple or as complex as you need, ensuring that you get the right offer in front of the right people at exactly the right time. For example, our slide-in campaigns work well with our scroll trigger, which lets you specify how far down the page visitors get before they see your campaign. The best part is, OptinMonster works on all types of websites, and we have integrations with all the major email marketing service providers. So, are you ready to boost email subscriber numbers and increase conversions with slide-in campaigns? Use the code in the description to receive a special discount and create your risk-free OptinMonster account today.